Hey guys, so welcome back to the vlog, my channel. We're in the backyard and I've been pulling these weeds back there. There's my bucket over here. So many weeds, and I don't want to mow until I get them pulled because it kind of defeats the purpose of trying to get rid of them, you know? So we're out here and the boys are playing and I'm sitting in my chair. There's our outdoor fireplace. But yeah, our backyard is a disaster. So these people before us had like 5 German Shepherds in this backyard, and I don't think they ever like cleaned it or anything, because there's like a dead tree that fell over, and they were supposed to haul it off when we moved in, but say hi. But they didn't, so we are stuck with it and we haven't had the chance to haul it off yet, so it's a mess back here. This tree, that's what I'm talking about, the tree right here, and there it is. The boys are playing on the trampoline that it's bent because it flew over our fence when we had a tornado last year. So yeah, it still works, but it's a little wobbly. And our cement fence, which is great for our dogs, even though it looks like a prison. Our grass, it needs to be mowed so bad, but I'm trying to get all these weeds. Look at all those. This one needs a nap. Maggie. Maggie. Hi, Maggie. This is Maggie. Maggie Moo. There's Grayson. What are we doing today?
Today we're going to do. Today I want to show them. Today I want to show them my truck I got.
Oh, you're gonna show them your new truck. There's Roxy. Bourbon just let her out. She's a Pomeranian. And this is a German Shepherd, if you can't tell. And we have a husky. I don't know where she's at. She's probably in the shade.
Here it is, see?
Oh, cool, buddy.
I have some in the back.
Who got that for you?
Papa.
Papa did? That's cool.
And then I just brought me the police officer clothes.
Oh, he bought you police officer clothes? Yeah. That's cool, buddy. I know where it is. Look how pretty the sky is.
I know. I know where the pretty sky is. Yeah, I know.
We have so many trees around us. There's our backyard tree. It's huge.
You're doing the video, huh?
Yeah.
See?
Yeah, that's cool, Benny. Look at this. The dogs chewed it up. I need to repaint this chair. I don't know what color.
Pink is dark blue.
Maggie Moo. Maggie Moo, are you a good girl? This one is like our police. There's Gannon.
Hi, Gannon. We're doing video outside.
Did you get your milk? Did you get your milk? Did you get your drink?
Wait, what was that one?
Quit. No more. Hi. Hi, Bubby. What you doing? Yeah, you do. Maggie, sit down. Maggie, down. What? Maggie, down. Hush. This is why we call her the police, because she barks all the time.
Go. Daddy.
No, Maggie, lay down. Hush, Roxy.
And here's the caboose.
Yeah, we just got this caboose at Walmart.
And that's $3.
Yeah, it was $3. Hey, Gannon.
Oh wait, it's not 3 right here.
Gannon,
What? See, it's
can
not-
you say chicka chicka boom boom?
Oh, it's not.
Gannon doesn't really like Maggie. Just because she's a big dog. You sit. Sit, girl.
And this yellow train was at Walmart too, with
Yeah.
the caboose.
Yeah.
Mom, how much was this?
They were $3.
Oh, this like the caboose.
So we're
one.
gonna build a dog run over here where this play thing is for the dogs, and there's like a shed where they can go into for shelter. So that way the kids can play and we won't have dog poop everywhere, right? Because it's gross.
And Mom, how much was this green
They were
cargo?
$3, baby.
And how much was this
They were
blue one?
$3.
It's like the yellow train and the blue train and the
I
caboose.
really want to like plant flowers like over here
This thing is $3.
between the
so
concrete
this
thing
one
and the
is
fence.
$3, this one
But I
is
gotta
$3.
clean all that up.
This one is $3.
So yeah, we're just
$3.
relaxing out
This one
here,
is
trying to clean up the backyard a little before Daddy comes home. I'm gonna try to mow. But yeah. Who's on your shirt?
$3. No,
Who?
no.
Yeah. Who's on your shirt?
Captain Marvel, Spider-Man, Iron Man, Thor.
Oh, good job. Maggie Moo. Maggie Moo.
What you doing? Smile.
Yeah, I say be quiet, Roxy.
Be quiet, Roxy. Who's that?
That's not Daddy. So we're outside again, and we're just chilling. We just ate dinner. It's about 6:30, and been working on these weeds back here. There's my big old pile. It's just taking forever, and it's so hot. It's like 90 something degrees here. Got my water. But yeah, we're just chilling outside. Look at that ray of sun. So, here's Miss Maggie Moo. She's attached to me. Get down. Get down, Mag. Oh. Oh, Maggie. Get down. Get down. You're heavy. Get down. Ow. Get off my arm. Get off my arm, please. Get down. Get down. Hey, that's sweet. She's hot. She's hot. There's the police right here. Maggie, smile. Maggie, smile. Pretty girl. The boys are over there on that play set right there. And I have been pulling weeds before I mow. But it's so pretty. Look at these blue skies. What, baby? Huh?
You want the drink?
You can have my water. Well, you're not going in the inside right now because you're gonna get the dogs in there, and no. Maggie Moo.
Maggie, no! Maggie, no!
Quit yelling.
Okay.
What?
Ow.
So we're laying on the trampoline.
I showed them my little trick.
Aren't we? Aren't we, Bubby? These boys need a nap.
No, we don't.
Well, they need to go to bed actually, but it's not bedtime yet. Want some water? Look how pretty this sky is.
I know. I never seen this guy.
You should have. You see it every day.
Have some water? No.
What are we doing?
Laughing.
So we're laying on the trampoline. The dogs are underneath us, wanting to get up here, aren't they?
Yeah.
Do you miss Daddy?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah. So Daddy's working out of town for about 3 months, and then he'll be home and won't be gone.
He said 3 days.
Yeah, he has 3 more days this week.
And then he said 2 days and 1 day.
So it's just me and the babies. Huh?
Yeah. And
Gannon, what you doing? Oh my goodness. What are you doing, Goose?
baby,
Can you say chicka chicka boom boom?
go.
Chicka chicka boom boom.
Go.
Say I love you.
Go.
Say daddy. Say daddy.
Go.
Always drink your mama's drink. Are you alright? Oh my goodness, he's bouncing us. Oh my goodness, Gannon. Gannon! You hear it?
Oosh. Oosh.
You hear it?
Oosh.
Gannon's sitting on my stomach. What is it?
Oosh.
A what?
Oosh. Mama, leave this guy on your tummy. See?
Oh my goodness, Gannon. Look at you. Oh no. Now they're bouncing.
Whoa!
Oh, that's my hair. Get off.
The video on one track.
Is Bubba bouncing you? Be careful though. Don't run by his head.
Right, you're going to
Get him. Don't kick.
Alright, my turn. Okay. I'm gonna throw off on a trampoline.
So, do y'all have any tips on how to lose weight besides like I know I need to be more active and stuff, but like clean eating recipes and stuff like that? I'm looking for healthier options. I just got an Instant Pot, so any recipes for that will help. I want to lose like 25-ish pounds. Just trying to get rid of like baby weight that I gained with the boys, and yeah, I just need to lose some more weight. Anyway, so do y'all have any tips or tricks or suggestions? I'm about 5'5", so I want to lose 25 pounds. And yeah, I don't know. It's just so hard because, I mean, I have 2 kids. I'm home with them all day. So, I mean, that's not really an excuse. It's just I don't always have the motivation to get up and exercise, and after you like clean the house and do all this stuff, and I own my own small business where I make like shirts and all signs and stuff like that. So after like I get through with that stuff and taking care of the boys all day, I don't really want to exercise, to be honest. Like, I don't have the motivation and I just don't have the energy. So any tips or tricks that y'all have, I will greatly appreciate it, and please leave them down in the comments. Also, what are some videos that y'all would like to see? My cleaning videos are the ones that get the most views, but I enjoy like doing makeup ones and all kinds of stuff. So what would y'all like to see? I need to do a house tour, but our house is not fully decorated how I want it, or like redone how I want it. But would y'all still want to see that? Give this video a thumbs up if you would. And yeah, about to get the boys ready for bed, and I'm sitting here trying to drink my water. I'm trying to drink like 80 ounces at least a day, but I mean, I don't drink sodas or anything, so I just love coffee and tea. That's my struggle. But yeah. So, excuse this mess, but let me show you our dining room. It's becoming my favorite room in the house. I gotta turn the light on. Here's the clock that I made right here. These are from Etsy. Our table, and then like this little area. It's becoming like my favorite room in this house. I have some fake lavender and these things that I don't know what to do with yet. But yeah. And I think I'm gonna paint the chandelier white. But I just love it. I love this little area right here. But like I said, if y'all want to see a house tour, let me know down below. There's my baby. Yeah, baby. He's so tired.